I've roped him into washing my car. He thought he was going to polish it. And oh, so yeah, look at that. Yeah, I just make the bruise and sweep up because I'm just the apprentice for the day. You do the actual work. Come on, get to work, bitch. Please, sir, can I have some more? She did. Oh, yeah, that's clickbait. We don't do that on YouTube. I don't know what you're on about. So I'm sure any of you that have or have owned a black car know how hard it is to keep clean. I mean, here's example A. I mean, this is just after 2 weeks. I've literally washed it 2 weeks ago, if that, and it's freaking filthy already. So yeah, it's really hard to keep clean, and obviously it shows up every little scratch, chip, and any little swirl mark. So today, we're gonna machine polish it. Well, first gonna wash it, machine polish it, and get it looking shiny and get it looking mint. I don't think the camera will pick up the swirl marks, and because it's dirty as well, I don't think you pick it up. But there is a lot of swirl marks on it, obviously from washing and stuff. So yeah, we're gonna take it out and see how it looks afterwards. I'm sure it'll look 100% better. Right, so I'm here with a man at the moment.
Hello.
So this is Philip. I have roped him into washing my car. He thought he was going to polish it, and now he's roped into washing it as well.
I turned up expecting it all to be done. Extra work now, to be honest with you.
Yeah, well, I didn't get a chance to do it, alright. So let's get into it. Yeah. Right, so she is all washed up and she is still wet. Usually I would dry it now, but we are going to clay bar it. So if you haven't come across clay bars, it's literally, clues the name, a bar of clay, and this will prove how clean or dirty your car really is, and it will make it so smooth once you've done it. So I'll show you how clean it comes out. I'll start using a bit and I'll show you if it's clean or dirty. Usually you have to seal it in after you've done it, if you're just purely clay barring it, but because we're polishing it, I don't need to do it because we'll be waxing it later anyway. So let's get started with it. Oh, so yeah, look at that. You think my car was clean? That proves it was not clean at all. Like I said, the car can look absolute, you know, this looks shiny in person, and it can really show like if it's clean or dirty, and obviously that proves how dirty my car really is despite looking pristine and really clean. So always make sure do panel by panel. So we're going to work through it and get it done. So I finished clay bar in the car, and if you have a look at this, yeah, that's underestimating how dirty it really was. Like, I thought my car was freaking clean, evidently not. So it's freaking dirty, but now it's really clean, really smooth, and I'm happy with it. My guy's just hosing it off, hosing all the claying that off, and then we shall dry it and start with the polishing. Well, let's do it. Right, so Philip has kindly dried it all, so she's ready to go for the polish. But first of all, we got the most fun job of masking it all up. That's why I'm letting this guy do it. I'm fucking off to work. No, you're the guy that does the polishing here. I'm just the washer. I'm your apprentice for the day. Yeah, I just make the brews and sweep up because I'm just the apprentice for the day. You do the actual work. Oh, okay, I've been told. I'm off. Bye. As I said, I had to pop to work because when you've got high-end clients paying your bills, you kind of have to. So we're going to see what progress Philip has made. Hopefully the car is still there and he is there with it. But let's find out. Well, my car's still there. And there he is. Hello! He's still there. What are you trying to whip me, bitch? Excuse me? Excuse me! Come on, get to work, bitch.
Tell you're a manager.
So what's it? Like, it's the first
This is the first.
first cutting compound.
This is sort of like gets rid of all the scratches. Probably at 80%. It won't get rid of everything.
Yeah.
Like the deep ones, but the swell marks. This is what it should get rid of.
And then you're just taking off all the polish with the towel, obviously.
With the towel. And then the second step will be the stage where it sort of brings out the gloss.
Yep.
Clear coat. And then the final step is like a wax coat, which protects it.
Sweet. So, is this the first panel done already?
Yeah.
I don't know that the camera's going to pick it up so good, but it's looking very naughty in person. It's looking good already.
That's just the first step. This is the step which doesn't even do the gloss.
Yeah, so that's just the first step. So it's gonna be good, I hope.
If not, it's all to see on YouTube.
just proved either the tools or the person are useless.
Nobody's phoning me up to do this.
Hey, you never know, you might get loads of people wanting it now. I might have
Started his own business now.
he's got a side hustle now. That, or he can stop the ambulance duties and
Do on the day.
clean cars for a living. Do on your 5 days off, you slacker. Beat stop. Oh, what a mission. Please, sir, can I have some more? Ooh. Thank you. Right, so stage 1 is done. That was the first cutting compound. So without further ado, we're going to get straight into it, straight onto the stage 2. Remind me, what's stage 2?
It's like a gloss coat now for the high. Improves the shine and gets rid of swirl marks, and sort of just improves the gloss of the whole paint.
Perfect. So let's, again, it just looks so shiny and clean already. Like I say, I don't think the camera picks it up, but there is still like the odd little swirl marks in it, whatever. I think you can kind of see it in the sun there and the light, and this is basically going to take more of that out and make it look even better. So on to stage 2. The sun has come out just in time, ready for the end of stage 2, and it is looking absolute mint. Oi, fuck off, mate! Yeah, this is looking mint already. Hey, fuck off for me. Yeah, she's looking mint already in the sun. So so stage 3 is a wax coat. So we're gonna do that now. Bastards. Oi, you can't litter. Litter bag, no ye. You better. Just chuck it anyway in the garage, I can sort it later. Smooth that, smooth like a baby bum. So stage number 3 is done. That's the wax coat that holds all the good stuff in, and it's gonna look mint. It's gonna make all the water just bead off, run off, and stay nice and shiny for longer. Huh? Absolutely not. I just freaking spent ages polishing this. There's no chance I'm doing that.
You spent ages.
Alright, Philip spent ages. Caught me out. There's a yeah, I'm a manager for a reason. I give you the orders.
Credit.
Yeah, I'll take the credit.
Even though in all of your videos, Philip's doing the work.
What do you mean? Lando Norris was doing the work, that's what I heard. I mean, look at the absolute shine on that. That's like a mirror. Could eat my dinner off that. I'm not going to, because I never want to drive it again. I want to garage queen it now because it just looks too good to drive. But Jesus, what a freaking job and a half. Philip's just doing the last touches, finishing touches. You happy with your work then?
I am indeed.
Customer, you should be happy.
I'm very happy, mate. Thank you so much.
Wipe a few bits quickly.
The finishing touches are being done, but otherwise she's looking fucking naughty, innit? So she is finally fully done. Another massive shout out, thank you so much to Philip. Couldn't thank you enough, because you know he's done all the work, let's face it. I've just done the little bits here and there to help out. But yeah, she looks so good. Not so good in the shade, I mean still looks good in the shade, but like in the sun it really shows the difference. But yeah, so I'm really happy with it. So yeah, don't forget, always full send whatever you're doing live, full send or no send. Be sure to wallop the like button and bosh the subscribe button. But until next time, see you later. Peace.
Alright, that's recording now.
So I'm sure any of you, oh, car straight away as soon as I fucking start. What do I say?
I'm more self-conscious about my nails now. Should never started biting them.
Oh god, no. You'll be fine. I don't think anyone's judging you for your nails anyway. So on to stage 2.
He says.
He says. Oh shit! Sorry. Yeah, you can see. You fucking dribbler. She's a dribbler apparently. She says she's gonna dribble on my car.
See this Lando Norris cleaned your car.
Yeah, she did. Oh, yeah, that's clickbait. We don't do that on YouTube. I don't know what you're on about.
Got him!
Since you said that, a couple of more people said it as well.
Yeah, Daryl said that. To be fair, when I was coming here, I told my parents that Lando Norris was cleaning Daryl's car. And he went, "Don't you mean the other way round?" I went, "No," and I showed him a picture. They're like, "Oh yeah."
Yeah.
I was like, "Yeah."
Where's he got pictures from?
I
always
got
thought
a video of you drunk at the dealer.
Yeah. I always thought he looks more like De Vries, to be honest.
Yeah, I see the freeze as well. I think I see. Look, yeah, I think. I think I see more Lando, but I do see the freeze look as well.